Hey guys, if you watched my last video, you will know that this Corolla is all fixed up, and I just wanted to talk about a little bit about my week. It's been pretty shit, honestly. So my Subaru over there, which you can't see because it's dark, its battery decided to die. The alternator might be a little bit messed up, so that's a slight issue. Now, because of my battery and alternator issues, I've been driving the Corolla just to school, which I wouldn't normally do. But today, on my way to school, I got a VI! Yay! For those of you outside of British Columbia, you may not know what that is, but it is a vehicle inspection. So it is given out by the police. It is not a citation or a fine, but it is it's a notice. And so there's 3 kinds of VIs, if you're curious about that. Box 1 is your car gets immediately towed and has to go through a provincial inspection from a designated inspection facility. And then box 2 is you have 30 days, your car does not get towed, but you still have to get your car inspected. And then box 3 is just you say you'll fix the things, you fix the things, and then you go and you show them that you did it. So obviously box 3 is what we want if we're getting a VI, if we have to. I unfortunately have a box 2 right now, so that means that in the next 30 days I need to take my car into a registered facility and get it inspected. The mechanic has to sign off, then it'll be all good. The trade-off with this is in BC, to register a vehicle, you don't need an inspection. You just show up, and you don't even show up with the car, you just show up with your papers and you say, this is my car, please give me a license plate and insurance. So it's kind of the trade-off for not having to get an inspection every time you insure a car. They have the right to pull you over essentially at any time. And a lot of people think of VIs as like a really horrible bad thing, but in reality, all a VI is saying is that the cop doesn't know enough about cars and that they need someone else to check it out. So like, as much as that kind of sucks, they're just admitting that they know nothing about cars. So for this particular box 2 VI, the police officer cited my camber, which you can't really see, but I do have some. I'll not tell you how much, but I have some camber. And then they also cited that my horn button doesn't work because I have an aftermarket steering wheel, and you can see like wires hanging out of it. And so I don't have like the stock horn that would be in there evidently. So the other thing I need to do is get a horn in there. It's all wired up. There's actually like a horn back here, but it's not wired up, so I need to wire to that to a switch and then get my car inspected. So tomorrow I am going to be getting my battery and alternator in for my Subaru, so I'll have a good car to drive around, and then I should be getting an inspection soon. And also perhaps tomorrow I will show you wiring up the horn on this guy. Shouldn't be too difficult, but yeah.
You want to pull it so hard you see the terminal flexing?
Is that when you know it's good?
Like flex the plastic in the battery?
Yeah, like the top of the case is like bowing outwards.
Yeah.
Are you yeah. Let me just... Will this reach?
Oh, yeah.
That's how you test. If it sparks, you know the battery's...
That completes
If you die, that's how you know it works. It's trash.
No. Okay,
We changed battery. Liam did it, I'll be honest. I didn't do anything. And now we are changing the alternator here because it is also garbage. Yay!
hot garbage.
I love spending money on my cars that I love very much.
Okay, so that piece isn't going to come off. Let's look at it and see where else it is. Yeah, there we go.
So I need a bigger boy.
You need a bigger boy. That one's probably going to be a 12 mil.
I like how aggressive you are.
Oh,
Beats
fuck
me.
out of here with
Hey,
this
you
stupid
looking at my titties? Yeah.
product placement. That was terrible. That was really bad. That was like one of the worst product placements I've ever seen before. large bolt and I gave you a small ratchet. So
It just made a creaky noise, and I was like,
So if you look at this guy, I think you have to pull that bolt all the way out to get that bracket off.
I guess technically not.
Yeah. So you are going to have to undo that bolt all the way because that's one of the ones holding the alternator in, but you're going to want to loosen the belt off first.
Loosen the belt off.
The alternator moves up and down. I'm just going to give you a tip like this, and this is the main pivot that the alternator pivots from. Its other mounting point is over there. It's hard to actually see. If I give you some light here.
Is it this guy here?
Yeah.
So he needs to come loose?
So you'll loosen that, and then you'll loosen this. This is the actual adjusting rod, if you look right there.
Okay.
So when you loosen this off, it's a pinch bolt that clamps the alternator kind of ear tight. And then once that's loose, and this bolt's loose, when you loosen this nut, the alternator will drop down to loosen the belt off.
I'm frightened, but I'm going to start loosening.
You got it. I believe
I
in
need
you.
a bigger boy.
No, it should be a 12 mil.
Okay, I'm just an idiot. It's good, don't worry.
Well,
Sorry, say it again.
I'm a fucking idiot.
I'm not going to say it, but I'm going to say it, and it's going to go on YouTube. It's because you're a woman.
Hey, ladies.
Oh, God.
He's single, and you could have this view. No. Stand straight up. Oh, okay, yeah. Give me a stand straight up. Face me. This could be your view, ladies.
Terrible view. I don't like that.
That's why I want to loosen this.
That's about good for now. You're going to have to remove both of these other bolts in a second. It's just easier once the tension's off the alternator. So yeah, loosen that guy. Also, I noticed that somebody put bando belts on this before.
Say-
Warranty book here. 24 months. Would you like to know about this? Okay, here we go. Pull out the alternator here.
I know there's a German section in
Yeah. So we have here the alternator from the Bosch. 24 months roadside assistance. So when you break down in and around, I don't know if you're going to be going to Stuttgart or not, but if you go to Stuttgart, you have the 24-hour month. Yes, it's an hour-month roadside assistance details. So you get the premium alternator, you get the premium bench. I can't say it. Fucking idiots. Where's Deutsch, Espanol? Okay, we don't need that. So we pull out the alternator here. It tells you to stop. This is an important battery notice. Must be fully charged. Something about charging a battery. I'm not sure why that's the same here. The alternator is supposed to do that. We don't need that either. Now let's hope this is the right one, eh? Look at that. Eh? Oh. It's stuck in there.
Probably.
This is important. You know why this is important?
This is a
A
vibe.
little condom.
Oh!
Ja, die mir sehr. Something today I work on the automobile.
We put a battery and an alternator in this Subaru. He's all good. It did turn out that the alternator was also fried, so we replaced it as you saw. And then this bad boy just went for a heckin' inspection. He did great. We now have a sticker in our window to say that he is approved by the government. So yeah, I'm super excited. Passed the VI. I'm ready to get another VI now. Yay! Thank you to my sponsors, Doyle Childs of Remax of Duncan Mill Bay. You can see his lovely stickers there. Thank you to Marigold, Liam Hayes of Marigold Service, and to Joel Fox of the lovely Platform Garage, and also thanks to Quinn from Speed Hero for filming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please share with your grandma if you liked this, and yeah, subscribe if you can. Thank you so much. Bye!